Gibbs with uAvionics. We're here at the Commercial Drone Expo in Las Vegas this week, and we are sort of excited about Part 108 and Part 146 because a lot of the technology we've been developing over the last 3 years aligns with those two proposed rules that the FAA announced a few weeks ago. So we have a couple systems that monitor airspace and then enable C2, command and control. Both those systems, Skyline monitors C2, provides C2 services, and Flightline provides ADS-B, situational awareness for airspace and drones so they can avoid mid-air collisions with manned aircraft. That's the whole point of uAvionics, making the skies safe. So here the other product we have is multi-link, which has been enhanced. Multi-link is designed to some minimum operating performance standards that the RTCA has put out, and it's a multiple link unit. This unit uses C-band, which is dedicated aviation spectrum, around 50-60 megahertz, megahertz, and then this also has a failover, so you don't lose link with a LTE card, and it comes with a cable so you can add to satellite systems like Starlink. So very redundant, designed not to lose link. We use a web-based application called Skyline, which is an ADS-B service, a future ADS-B service, as outlined in Part 108 and 146. And the ADS-B service is an automated data service provider. And you can think of it like a cell phone company, like Verizon or T-Mobile or something like that, providing the infrastructure, and you fly on the infrastructure as a drone. So combined Flightline with C2 and Flightline with ADS-B services and Skyline with C2 service, that gives you all the tools to be compliant with Part 108 and BV loss beyond visual lines of sight drone operations. So that's where we're going with the company. We also have other divisions like general aviation, airport safety, and we're outfitting airports with safety surveillance to avoid runway incursions, and then we have a defense unit as well. So the company is pretty excited about the new Part 108 and 146 rules, and we should be talking about more of this when they're finalized in about a year or so. Thank you.